Um, Hope you guys are hearing the eye. Okay. Um, I'll check if the stream is. I've like come up with a different design. I think this is a bit better. Here, I think I'm gonna put a video here and um, how the process of auto meeting workflows would go. That's what I have in mind. So let's go. Um, what's this? Okay. So I was working on, well, there's no one misconnected. I was working on the UI. No, I was working on a lot of backend stuff. Um, Trying to get um, the browser use library to work on the Lambda, and there's a lot of problems. I didn't want to expose any API keys, so that's the reason why you guys haven't seen me going live recently. But I can't say I'm blocked. There's a few other challenges that I'd rather not talk about. But yeah, I'll be streaming on occasion. Alright. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing you what the view looks like. So this is very bland and clean, right? Um, I think I need to also redesign this maybe. But the problem is, I mean, it's just projects and you can just come here, search a project. My idea is that you click on this and it would carry you here, right? But that's just like, like if someone comes here, a normal user comes, they will not know what to click. They will probably click on this and that will carry them to their site. And then you're like, what am I supposed to click on? And click on this, nothing. So I'm planning to redesign this. Um, but I won't remove this because I'm just gonna do it in a standard with what I process because I have this online. I just like I don't think anyone's using it. But I want to use a standard to be like V2, V2 dashboard V2, and then it would show the different version of the dashboard instead of rewriting the entire component because there's a lot of things that are in that component. So I don't want to rewrite. I want to start from scratch. So, what I need to do as well, I need to get I need to do a layout, and then it looks. I'm thinking. I'll just rename this. I'm thinking of using like I don't know, like let's see. So this would be the layout. Yeah, and everything would inherit this thing and then, like the dashboard. It could just put that into that layout, right? Because it's basically different tabs. And if you look at the figure, it's like I didn't do a lot of work here. Basically copy things and just paste them here. just have a rough idea of what I want it to look like. But um, we have this and that and that. All right. Scratch. And then script. Also, I was using TypeScript here. I haven't touched TypeScript in a while, so I don't remember. I haven't touched Vue in a while, so I got good. I spent like I don't know if I can find no. Let me just do this. Oh, let's just do that. Get the like really. So this is what I was working on. Um, Basically, what would happen is just go here. Right. So what would happen? This is mainly for my purpose. Maybe I can show Taylor and Clyde like, hey, this is what I did. I ain't lying. I walk with it. But the way it works, you know, the Lambda would send across a project ID. We would get the project ID, right? We pass the API token and the base URL. Then you would check if again it has a history. So the way this works is that the browser automation library is using AI, right? Now, if it's a case that someone just wants to run different test cases, but it's like the same test case that's being run and it's not changed all the time. Um, or maybe it's a workflow that they just want to keep track of that it's working and stuff like that. Then um, we have we're saving the history of a workflow or whatever the AI is doing, and we're putting that into our database, right? So we're checking, does this test step have a our test case have a history? Meaning, does it have a list of steps that the AI would have taken? And then based on that, if it doesn't have a history, then we'll use the browser um, automation to run the test, right? And then if it does have a history, then we would run the cache option. It's called cache, but I should probably change the name so that it makes sense because it's coming from the database. But it will be running the history. Actually, I did try to use a different library, but it was a lot of issues there. A lot of issues, man. It's like crazy. Um, yeah, but that's right. So what I'm doing with this layout is I want to build a sidebar. Then I don't know what that's called again. It's like inserting something between two components, two components. It's like I don't remember the exact name, but you should be able to do that with view. Come to the here. Um, I'm using this. Yeah, I use this to come up with, but it's just too AI centric, bro. That's the reason why I went to this because this kind of seemed like an actual application versus this. Just this part is it just screams AI. And I don't want people to be like, oh AI. You know, I mean it's an AI SaaS, but at the end of the day, that's not the reason why you people use your website, right? Yeah. So router view is a good actually, this is a good thing. I've never used this before. Okay, let me just read through this to see how it's done. Alright, okay, cool. Um, customizable theme again, because yeah, compose. Okay, sidebars on things. Okay, So the foundation to grow. Technically, it's not happening. Install the color. Have the following colors in CSS file to command above the install colors for you. If not, open these. Okay, install this. Let's check. You should install this at least. Let me just check. Yeah, let me just check if it's installed over here. And I'm not sure if this is it. Yeah, I have a root. I think it is though. I think. Yeah. Sidebar. Sidebar. Yeah. Um, I seem to have installed what's needed. So we can move on from installation. Okay, so we're talking about the structure. So sidebar provider handles collapsible state. Sidebar container. Sidebar header. Sticky at the top of, and the bottom of the sidebar. Hmm. Sidebar. Yeah, I'm listening sidebar. Okay. Scrollable content. Sidebar content. Okay. Sidebar group section within the sidebar component. Content. Okay, cool. I think this is straightforward then. Um, so you have a sidebar trigger. What? What are the what? I'm kidding. Oh, it's a slot. That's a word I was trying to remember. This is like pasting with the thing, and you can like switch out the slot. That's that idea is. Switch out the slot based on what the person clicked on. You know, switch out what is slotted into that. See, maybe I could use a relatively as well. You know, it's a good option. But I'll look into that. If everything has the same, I think I can use a relatively. If all the rows have the layout, all those files have been made. I think it's better to switch between the different. Yeah. Maybe fire. Let's see. Sidebar. Sidebar. Hmm. Uh, okay, I get that. And let me just start doing something. I'm wondering if it's gonna handle the styling for us. I'm not there. Let's go to layout. Or maybe I could put, you know what? Let's not create a layout. Let's just put this inside in dashboard. No. It's a bit confusing. It's just do that. Because it's not necessarily the dashboard, it's like the entire application. So, alright. We need sidebar. Let's just do this. And then I'm just gonna copy all of these and paste here. And we need, this is a good idea. But before I do that, let me just get these. Alright. And I think I missed something. I just import these here. Um, I think I had like define component, and then was it that or was it this? And then we did data. Yeah, uh, no, something else is missing. I don't remember. Let me just look at the previous. component. It's where the phone. Okay. No, I think I'm right. I think I'm correct. Yeah. It's just that I didn't export it. But with yeah. And then it's a just a component. Yeah. That components. Okay. I don't remember how we process. I know, like, I think, I think, okay, is either this, right? Where I can just get these, is either that or it's an array. That's what I don't remember. It's an array or if it's that. So, uh, is it an array or, okay, it's an object or there's squiggly brackets. Okay, there's no items. Cool. Um, we need to add a data attribute for the data. Bam, I do. Bam, bam. Let's just do this as well. Add the type setter alone. Items. Items. Array. Data here. Strong. Wait, an array of objects actually. Um, okay, I don't know. The items. Okay, so we're looking at this. Same thing here. Okay. Uh, Yes, it's an array, not a. Okay. I'm just gonna steal some of this. Put it here. And I don't have icons. Okay, home. I think this is should be in. Yeah. But this would be dashboard, not home. Mm, Inbox. It should be notifications. Joining. And maybe notification. Whoever icon. Web notification icon. Right. Access now. Likely. No, so inbox or bell icon maybe. Calendar. We don't have a calendar. I'll just share this and then get Figma here. So we have notifications, we have schedule. And we have annual events. And okay. And then we have maybe like a chart. Let's try that one. Let's shorten. Then we're gonna get projects. Settings. Sorry. Alright, so now it's gonna do this. Shift off down. And we're going to Uh, Projects, and we need uh, mm, folder, maybe like folders, straight folder then. Um, oh, I can see the icons. Okay, I did not know I could help on see. Okay, I can help on see this one. Maybe I inverted the wrong one. Yeah, that's good. Um, okay. Hey, now share home icon. Okay, how do they like to use something like that? Man, home. Is it home? Mm, okay. I'll have to switch over. Okay. We need help. Okay, we need help. I think I copied one of these, right? Or I did. Okay, I did not. Check out, and then it's gonna be, and then, help circle. I think this is it. Yep, good, good, good. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna have this door slash whatever. But I do want to have this. But I mean, maybe I have to add these manually. The icon, the profile, and all that. Maybe I can add one for profile as well. Profile. Um, so as I said, that was a rough sketch. It's not entirely accurate. And what's the next thing I need? Mm, User. Yeah. And I think that's it. For now. And this is not being used. Servers. Home icon. Okay, cool. There's a, there is items in the URL and all that. But it does. What is it saying? Oh, man. After creating item, many items, just go to the type. This is what I like writing on my own code. Is I can just know where things are, even though I haven't touched the base in like monitor or something. It's been a while to be honest. If I go to like one of these recent like added things, right? Like this one, um, does they not wanna tell me anything? But it been you get the gist. It has been it's been a while since I've been here. I don't know what the her is here. There's some kind of her. Not sure what that is because these are gonna be recreated either way. So I could type um menu item. I'm just gonna okay. I don't know what to do. let's see if um there's a layout underneath to users menu item. Yeah, I think it probably will have some kind of error still. Where's that error? It says it does have an error, but where's it? Where's that? Okay, there's a sidebar. What? What's happening here? Oh, good. That's okay, cool. Um, okay. I'll be back in a jiff. Okay, I'm back. Um, I'm not sure where the icon itself would go. So I'm gonna uh let's see something. Yeah, I need to look at this because what does it say? Application. What does that mean? Let me just get about that. Which one is it? Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So create a new sidebar component. Now let's add. Okay, cool. Component in a sidebar. View files are built to be composable. That is, you build the sidebar by putting the provider components together. They also collapse well with each other, so same components are just now. If you need to change the code in the sidebar files, okay, cool. The sidebar provider component is used to provide sidebar context to the sidebar component. You should always wrap your application inside the provider component. So some should have is inside the provider component. So else, okay, okay, I think I get what you're saying, but like, yeah, like what? I mean, I get it. Hmm. Hey, let's do this. Um, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna put it here. Since it's gonna be used here, I don't need to wrap it in the application. Uh, and then we can import a sidebar. Maybe. Let's just import this. And then import. Okay, I didn't have the layout imported. This will not only handle the width of the side, but also the length, layout spacing. What I want to do is, oh, this is what I want. Go to view. Because I was like, oh, with this working. Okay. This is Persistent. What is the local building? I don't know what is that still getting me. And I guess, uh, yeah, where does this go? We have an upside me trigger finding updates. Yeah, I need to see this page. I need to see this page. Um, except as exploring and they are let's give it a name, I should say. Name for it. No, tomato. Would be just and some more. Yeah. And then potatoes. We need to forward, forward, the farm, fine, environment, that, others, farms, just doing stop. Yeah, just doing it. Doing the song, but I'm not. Anyway, let's do it. Why, you, and I'm just gonna rename this as well to episode 5. Largest system is side 5. Then I think this is where I would have something like this. Yeah, let's do that. I would need to do it on the dashboard actually. Let me just get this. What's wrong here? Turn on to use because imported using import stuff. Import type. Oh, I think it should be this one. Oh, it's a type. Okay. Okay. Right here. I need to, I want to see this first. Style. Over it. And then you can add this. And the one to add these as well. I'm gonna leave it as a default. It's just also groups. Maybe I'm doing something really, I don't know, just if you're done, just Alright. Mm, so looks good. Default. Expert default, define component. Yeah, that's right. And the components. Right, let me just get these imported. Meters thing. That's it. Just over there. What am I doing? Oh, can't give it. Let's just give it upside button. Upside button. And let me just how can't I get this? Somehow, ranking component. Maybe suggestions. Computer. Clear ranking. Let's go do this. Component. All right. Um, I don't know. I'll check that. I normally, I guess this. Normally try to make it follow the file names. They're so larvae, so I don't think that should affect this, right? It does? I did not know that. I did not know that. Wow. That's, I did not know that. Okay, I learned something new then. Maybe it's in this version. Alright, so what I want to do now is I'm gonna go with, um, I think I'm gonna use a road view, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Let me just add this to this component. Um, what did I call it? Let's try this again. Name, name is the out. Maybe this thing didn't pick that up. Let's rename this. Yeah, seems like I have to do that layout. What I want to do is point, uh, let's get the ropes, ropes. Here it is. What I want to do, I'm gonna create a route. So shift up, down, let's call dash, good, U2, and then, that's right. Yeah, I just exported it. Oh, I did not. Didn't give it a name. Maybe that name doesn't matter. Okay. Um, let me see this now. Ensure that it's actually input in the right thing. I have this word. Okay. Let me just hope that this is working. Still here. What I want to do is, hmm, let's see nothing. Let's see. Oh, that's, uh, yeah, SV2. Cool. Um, just do queries author zone for now. Okay, let's see the errors. Let's be getting some errors. I shall see the one error. Maximum stack seats. What? Maximum call exceed stack size. What are you even talking about? Like I know I probably did something wrong, but that's crazy. Yeah, something was off and alright. Alright, in order to check if this is a problem, I'm gonna comment this I'm saying that comment out all of that and then I'm gonna put little URL and then yeah. So we should not be getting the error. Yeah. So something there is causing the error. What could it be? Okay. So what we can start doing is showing components. So is it sidebar provider? Hmm. Reload? No, it's not sidebar provider. Okay, cool. So it must be uh Sidebar. I think it's sidebar. Cause yeah, 'cause I did not know what the hell I was saying. Hmm. Mm, what would cause that? Uh, seems to be user caused by a loop. Maybe it's this loop. Alright, let us remove this. Let's see. Okay, so it's a range error. Hmm. Let me check. No, I have found this. See, I cannot pass data to the from parent to child. I'm using props. Have tried returning data as a no. Oh, wait a minute. Let me look at something. Did I do something wrong in how I'm using it and the layout? No, not that I think of. I don't think I did anything wrong there. Hmm. Hmm. So the reason you have is because you define your panel component with name. You change the name to could it be a name? Name is it? I mean, I did have sidebar and the name is sidebar. Mm, I'll just sidebar and rename this. Not the Q up, bro. Oh, and then what should I get like up? Imported this remove that. And then we'll know maybe that was this. Uh, hey, so that was this. I think. Let's see. Um, let's go to sidebar here. Open up like this, and then go to the page. Nothing. It's crazy, bro. What the hell is that, man? This entire thing is just empty. What the hell? No, no, something is wrong. Something weird is going on. Okay. Hmm. What could it be? Could it be this? Alright, you know, let's just remove this. Something weird is out, man. Let's look at the duck sounds more. Okay, Uber chat. Alright, so I'm not sure what this is. Let's go back to maybe maybe I'm missing something. Because they're saying this should have given me this, I think, but in my case, nothing is present. Could be doing that. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm gonna disable the sidebar. Not the sidebar, the nav bar. Navigation bar is gonna be disabled. Or at least removed. I don't know if it's somehow missing with that menu thing. Doubt it, but yeah, it's not. It was very trying. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Let me just add that back. I did remove that, but I don't. Would that really stop it? Um, I don't think it should. I don't think it should. Oh, is that working? Yeah, it's not. Um, alright, let me see. We have a div sort, main, we have the button. Hmm. Okay, so it's supposed to toggle the sidebar, but when I click it, nothing happens. Alright, back to the documentation, I guess. Um, I must have missed something. Alright, let me just do something. Because I did set. Oh, I did mess with it. I remember setting removing. Oh, it's still there, so that's not it. That's the false default open false. Or let's just remove it entirely because it's not even following the rule. I don't know how that's supposed to fix it because I don't know what they all the issues. Oh, I need to check console log. Do I get any errors? Do I get any log? No. Clear to resolve component upside bar. If this is a native element, make sure to exclude it from component resolution. Hmm. Oh, upside bar, sidebar. Here's a. What? Oh, so it's not okay. So I did not see that. Ah, there we go. Um, I should have seen that, but I did not see it. Ah, there's our sidebar, man. There's our sidebar, man. Okay. So let's just do the coloring, the theming rather. Oh, we need a header. That's what I think. I need to. Hmm. I need to get the icon component that I had created. Here it is. What's happening here? What is this? What the hell is this? Let me move my component from there. Let me just do this. So resistant. Um, let me just change the color for this so maybe I can see it. I can't get rid of it. Oh, seems like some icons are all over the place. Um, I want to export. Hmm. How about the size? That's something I'm not entirely sure about. Export it as a SVG, so yeah. I just really lost a little bit. All right. Um, what's the next? Oh, how was that recommended? I didn't get it. Side block. Okay. I oh, no man. One quick book. I'm not even sure which one that. Let's see. Back to the documentation, I guess. Okay, so all of them are from the sidebar. Cool. Yes. Oh, it's already there. Okay. What is that one? You inverted two times. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's not in the component at all. that's what I was doing at first. Yeah, I can. I cannot do big marking. Just go to, yeah, the, we need a search bar. Okay. Um, let's add the icon first. I'm thinking of using like a div here, and then so, yeah, we could use like two divs. Um, one for the icon, our logo, and one that contains a logo so that we can, use that image. Think that's a path. Nope, is it? Try to okay. Just like that. Mm, mm. If I click on this, I think I should be seeing that. I don't remember how the hell the input. Yeah, it's not so very interesting. Yeah, I should be showing up in the sidebar as well. Let's confirm that we're not getting. Okay. Mm, not application. Maybe we don't want to use that as a label. I don't want to separate these into different groups as well. Where's the help? I need to separate the side bar groups because we have different groups. Need to check if it falls into a specific section. Um, so right here, grab general, support, general and support. So okay, so we only have two. Why don't you do that? Actually, if I add something to it, it's gonna break. Um, hmm. All right, so add group and add this to the types file. So Okay, just trying. And that. Okay. You guys knew that. That's okay, cool. Schedule is in general also. Um, this is in general as well. Projects, yeah, general. This is the only one that has a different group. Right? It's gonna be support. And then just do that. Yeah, so that's there. Um, yeah, that's something like next thing. Okay, let's just we can check here. We can, I think we should be able, we should be able to do be if equal item dot group. You know, I think we should be able to do that. That's items. Okay, items. Alright, we can't. Hmm. Thought we'd be able to do that. That's cool still. We can put it, let's put it here. Atomic group equal. Just put this back up. You understand? What's wrong? Does not exist on type. Bro, do I need this? R. Man. There's another way we could do it. It's not a div. Template, yeah. So template. Using a template. I think we should allow us to create the menu item for adding the menu button. And then I could just do this. And yeah. And then this need to get general. Let's just get this as well. Automatic. General. Um, so only if you look at this, you should not be getting any errors. Yeah, I should be only seeing general. I'm just gonna give this a label. Um, give it a label. General. Um, because I'm a lot lazy. And just do that. Copy that. Change this to support. Change this, right? Yeah. And change this to support as well. And that should give us, yep, yeah, something like this. Why is that? Why is there a space here? What's that? Why is that? Why does it have like a space? What's that? Spacing. Oh, oh, I guess I missed this. Okay. Okay. Something weird is going on here. Oh, oh, we have item group, cyber content. Okay, so we did copy everything then. We just do that in space. Yeah, I shouldn't have had this huge space here, but that's fine. And then kind of looks messed up, but okay, whatever. Um, we just need to change the color of the go to the page now. Just need to change the color of that thing. Uh, right. Okay, wait. What's the start from this? Can I not see? Alright, let me just go to here and just get this. I know, I probably should have set up some sidebar. I haven't written. Oh, that's how it's done. Okay, that's not how it's done. Alright, and this sidebar has its own style. Just, it's more aesthetically. What's happening? Alright, you know what? Let's just create. Alright, let me just check this first. Um, this components UI. Thread, probably might be a case that they gave it some its own color or something. Oh wait, I should be able to go to the CSS file. Yeah, here it is. Now this says foreground, primary. There are these things. Man, what the freak? Uh, I'm just gonna change some things and see what happens. This is all I can do. Um, Nothing cool. Nothing. Cool. Unfortunate. Oh, maybe it's no, it's not a accent. Maybe that's it. Cool. Nothing. Damn, bro. Man. Oh, root. Let's look at the root because ah, maybe this is uh-huh. Ah, come on. Let's just do um let's just do this actually. That's the background color I want. I want this to change now. Um Sidebar. Let's try this one. Uh-huh. Okay. The border. Okay. It's the other way around. Um, so this one, and then this one will be this one. No, should be this one, and then so now we have the icon there, but we also need to do a lot of other things as well. Okay, so that's the background card primary. And the border for the card would be the border for. I want it to be like a kind of grayish thing, like the cards part. I think. Um, it should have stroke. Yeah, blue 900. Uh, yeah, I don't have access to stuff like that. Because this is the global point sun fine. Blue 900. Wash, is it? Washed blue? Yeah, it must be washed blue. Man, this is gonna take a while to fix. So I take like a while, like a while. Yeah. Bro, what is this bottom, man? Did I do the wrong thing then? Maybe it's a ring? So this is like maybe it's a ring or something? No? Okay, so I found the whole thing. Maybe this is a text which what's the color of my text? Um, it seems like it's white. Haha. Wait. Oh, okay. That should be white, not when you're color. Okay. Um, and gray when you hover. And then this would be green. not sure what shade of gray it would be. No, it should be gray. Yes, I can. Yeah, what's the next thing? This is bottom. I was trying to get it to use this on the bottom. But I was not doing it. Okay, it's not that. I was saying maybe some green. What was the other thing that I have? Oh, okay. Oh, maybe it's using the it's just not yes. It's fine. Why? Starting to the uh, I need to add the colors. Yeah, I need to add them. Is yeah, some kind of properties. So I can reuse them throughout the entire order. I think there's a way to do it. I just don't know how. No, it's not there. It's eight. I I should be able to add styles. I'm just gonna call it today still. That's an hour straight. That's in today. Ah man, I'm sending out your money or something. It's been a long week. See you guys.